Hello everyone, I'm Jess from Huxtello iTech, and welcome to the Jess Quick News broadcast. Today, we have some important updates for all the 2024 BECE graduates and their parents. So let's dive right in. Exciting news! The Ghana Education Service has officially released the 2024-2025 academic calendar. Mark your calendars because all 2024 BECE graduates will start SHS1 on October 30, 2024. This information was made public in a letter released by the GES, and it was also reported by Ghana Education News. The GES has also made some changes to the vacation dates for SHS1 and SHS2 students. To help align the academic calendar and avoid any anticipated challenges, students in SHS1 and SHS2 will now vacate on October 28, right before the new term kicks off. This means that students won't be going home after vacation. Instead, they will immediately start the new academic year on October 30th. That's right, no break in between. So, what does this reopening date mean for the 2024 BECE graduates and their parents? Well, it indicates that the BECE results and school placements will be released at least 1 week before October 30th. This gives families time to prepare for school, whether as boarders or day students, depending on their placements. You might be wondering why the GES decided to change the reopening date. The GES explained that this adjustment aims to ensure the school calendar starts in September 2024. This means all senior high schools will commence on Wednesday, October 30, 2024. Additionally, current first-year students in transitional calendar schools will conclude their academic year on October 28 and will be promoted to Form 2, starting the new academic year immediately. So, this affects not just the new students, but everyone in the system. In summary, the academic year for 2024 BECE graduates kicks off on October 30, 2024. The GES is committed to creating a smoother transition for all students and ensuring they are well prepared for their academic journey ahead. That's all for today's broadcast. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates from Jess Quick News. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.